Hello, this video provides the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of March 2023. For the third month in a row, we've seen housing price increases in most of our local markets. The following are some of the key metrics relative to February of this year. For Guelph, the median sales price was $742,000, which is up by 0.6%. The average price per square foot was $511, which is up by 0.2%. The total number of listings was 250, which is up by 19.6%, and the total number of sales was 185, which is up by 34%. For the Tri-City, in Kitchener, the median sales price was $730,000, which is up by 4.3%. In Waterloo, it was $751,000, which is up by 0.3%. And in Cambridge, it was $686,000, which is down by 3.4%. For the third month in a row, all of our local markets, with the exception of Cambridge, have experienced a median sales price increase. And as we head into the spring market, new listings and new sales have increased month over month. Given the current sales to new listing ratio, all four of our local markets are currently considered to be a seller's market. With this in mind, the current real estate market is not nearly as active as it was this time last year. The number of new listings in Guelph, Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge all range between 30 to 50% lower than they were in March 2022. And the number of new sales are 28 to 43% lower. Full details for each individual market can be viewed in the full report, which is in the link down below. The next scheduled date for announcing the overnight target rate is April 12th, 2023. The Bank of Canada will publish its full outlook that shows the economy, inflation, including the risks to the projection in the monetary policy report at the same time. Most industry experts are expecting that the rates will be temporarily held again, and if this happens, market prices may continue to rise over the next few months. In a nutshell, the current market is one in which buyers can buy with moderate competition levels and sellers can expect to sell quickly at increasing price levels. It's a good market to both purchase and sell, and there are opportunities for both buyers and sellers. If you're considering moving in the near future, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.